What's happening, everybody? Today, the tide brings us to a great place for breakfast, lunch, and drinks. The brand new Toasted Yolk in Myrtle Beach. Stay tuned. That's right, we were lucky enough to get into this place 6 days after they opened. Now, this place is not right on the beach, but it is one of the best places to get breakfast or lunch around town. It's located at 1004 Glen Forest Road in Myrtle Beach, which is basically on the corner of Carolina Forest and Highway 501, right past the Tanger outlets. Presently, their hours of operation are Monday through Sunday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. And their motto is, "It's never too early to get toasted." With that being said, yes, they offer a full bar and plenty of seating at the bar if you want to sit in that area. As far as food goes, they offer an assortment of breakfast items, including omelets, pancakes, power bowls, Arnold's, and much more. For lunch, you can get starters, an array of different sandwiches, fresh salads, and more. They were slammed when we got there and initially said the wait would be 30 minutes to 1 hour. We decided to stick around, and then they got us seated in less than 15 minutes. Not bad for being open just for a few days, and there were 7 of us. Bunny B got the classic Arnold, which is basically like Eggs Benedict, and the hash brown casserole. I decided to go with the Cowboy Scrambler, which was on a separate menu with the drinks. All the dishes are chef-inspired creations made from locally sourced eggs, bacon, biscuits, and much more. Everything is made from scratch daily, even sauces and dressings. This is a chain out of Texas, so the portions that they give you are going to be Texas size. The decor was fresh and lively with lots of indoor and outdoor seating when it gets warmer. And while walking around, we met a couple that had eaten there 4 times in the past 6 days. And they were bragging about the different food items and the staff, so you know they loved it. And so because it's located further back from the ocean and not in the middle of all the tourist area, they don't give local discounts. Just something to keep in mind if you're watching this and you're local. That was a quick look at Myrtle Beach's newest restaurant. There's no sweeter place to serve up French toast and mimosas than at the Toasted Yolk. If you enjoyed this video, how about give us a thumbs up and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.